at home? No wonder no one likes bees. If you're not sticking everything up with your honey, you're building papier-mâché homes for birds to slam into. See this flimsy work? Flimsy, flimsy, flimsy. Flimsy, I tell you. You really should have picked the A team instead of the B team. What I meant was, I'm sorry. You don't make smart decisions. I was just kidding you, fellas. No need to make a big deal out of this!
Can I get a picture?
Watch where you're going, you wacky woodpecker! Oh no! Bees! Woody, what are we going to do?
I don't know. Let me think. Bees. Here we go. Bees can be made drowsy by puffing smoke at them. Oh, and look! Little Gem has got a bee subduing kit. And they've got delivery. Let's do it! Look at that. One-stop shopping. Okay, boys, let's suit up.
Look what you've done! My house is trashed! What were you thinking?
Well, Wow, cool! Ouch!
Well, I've had enough of this. Haven't you guys had enough?
Definitely, yes.
Yes, definitely.
Don't worry. We'll clean this up, and when you get back here, everything will be spotless.
Oh, it better be, or I'm gonna be really upset.
Nice job, guys. Look at the mess you got us into.
Woody, I'd stick to cleaning if I were you.
Oh, yeah? I'd like to see you make me. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Maestro?
Don't go away. I'll be back soon with another cartoon.
Woody, you know what day it is, right?
International Flaming Corn on the Cob Hat Day?
No.
Is it paint a wrestling mask on your face day?
No, but that is a good look for you. You really don't know what day it is, huh?
Come on, what day is it? Stupid brain? Huh?
Happy birthday.
Oh boy, I love birthdays. Oh wait, I'm thinking things. Aha, it must be her birthday. But I don't have a present for her. Wait a minute. What's Buzz got that I don't got?
Whoa!
Winnie wants the gift of chiseled muscle eye candy. Ooh.
I wonder where Woody is.
Winnie!
Huh?
Oh, Winnie! Come and check out my swole shoulders and check out these massive high-caliber guns. Winnie? Winnie?
I'm down here, Woody. What have you been doing? Even your toes have muscles.
Oh well. Back to being on model. Everybody thinks I'm crazy. Whoops, wrong decade.
Woody, let me just tell you what day it is.
I know what day it is. Whoa! I bet you'd like a plane ride. Welcome to Air Woodpecker. This is Captain Woody speaking. Please fasten your seatbelts and make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright position. Thank you.
Woody, are you sure you know how to fly this thing? Woody?
Yeah, of course. It's easy. All you have to do is, oh, wait. Here we go.
Woody, look out for the ducks! Woody, look out! Mountain!
That is it! I'm moving back to Florida!
Look out for those trees! Woody! Sheep!
Oh, sheep!
Woody! Can't you stop this crazy plane?
Oh, here we go. Uh-oh.
Woody, will you please just stop and listen to me for a second?
Man, she's tough to buy for. What is it she wants for her birthday? Ooh,
Ooh.
cake! Duh, everyone wants cake for their birthday.
Oh, my cake!
Huh? Winnie! Oh, Winnie! Ta-da! Happy birthday, Winnie. Here's your cake.
Ooh, did someone say cake?
Oops.
I've been trying to tell you all day. It's not my birthday, it's yours.
It's my birthday?
And I got us some tickets to the soccer finals.
Woohoo! What could be better than soccer tickets?
A cake.
Ugh, stupid loud neighbors.
So, tell me, Woody, what day is my birthday?
Your birthday?
Don't go away. I'll be back soon with another cartoon.
What a fabulous day for a cookout. Hey, where'd all my food go? Wally, you ate all my food.
I certainly did not.
You did too, you gluttonous garbage barge.
It was not me.
Oh, yeah? Prove it. Let me smell your breath. Ooh, that was a terrible mistake. Okay, Wally, enough's enough.
What? I did not do anything. I was just setting up my wigwam.
Then we might as well test it.
Oh.
Looks like your tent is trash. What? If you wanted a pop, Wally, all you had to do was ask. I'd be happy to pop you one.
What? Wait a minute. I'm getting in trouble when that sneaky penguin is eating all the food. Hey, Woody,
Look, Mama, a flying walrus.
Oh, Billy, branches, does this stupid tree.
You're the one that's been eating my food? Huh? Nice try, but you missed. Gotcha! So, you've been stealing all my food, huh? Well, guess what? Your goose is cooked. Or should I say, penguin.
Hey, I'm the one that has been taking all the blame and the bruises, so I'm the one who should get to put him in the pot.
Sorry, Wally. I started this, so I gotta finish it.
But it's my pot.
I caught him. I get to cook him.
No, I do.
No, me.
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 No, me. No,
No,
me.
me. No, 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 me.
Thanks, Chili. Smells delicious. But it doesn't make up for you ruining my perfect cookout.
Don't go away. I'll be back soon with another cartoon.
I humbly accept the cash prize.
Sorry, Woody. That cash prize is gonna be mine.
Oh, wait. Look at Buzz's carving.
We have a late entry, and the winner is Buzz Buzzard.
Buzz Buzzard!
Thanks for carving the carousel, Basil.
Pleasure doing business, Buzzard.
Hey, you big cheating cheater! You cheated! That money should be mine! I'll take that, thank you. Hey, hello. Wake up, guys. Can I get a hand here? How about two? Come on, guys. You're taking too long.
Basil, I got another job for you.
It's gonna cost you overtime.
Fine, fine. Just carve it, Beaver. It's mine. Woody, old red old owl, old chubby chum.
Yes.
Help!
Now think about it. Ah, well, all right.
Oh, thanks, pal. I always liked you more than any other tool.
Aw, I don't care what the whole world says about you, Buzz. And they don't say nothing good, trust me. You're a sweetie pie. It's made of 100% deadwood.
Over here, dum-dum.
Cheaters never win, Buzz.
And the real winner is Basil Beaver.
I humbly accept the cash prize. Hey, hold on. What's that noise?
Must have been fun because they had a blast.
Don't go away. I'll be back soon with another cartoon.
Okay, new Cadet Louise. No monkeying around. Pay attention. This is the Brazilian Waterfall Guidebook. You should learn it front to back. But the most important thing is... no going down the falls!
How rude.
Well, what do you know? A barrel. Hi, Luis.
Fala, Woody. What's up?
I'm gonna go down these falls in a barrel.
No, you're not! Section 722, no one shall go over the falls in a barrel!
Nonsense. I've been doing this since I was a tiny baby. Watch this.
Not on my watch!
Hey, Luis, look at me. I'm barreling.
You can't do that!
It's part of the fun, man.
When I say something, by golly, I mean something!
Buzzkill.
No, I told you, you can't go over the falls in a barrel!
Not even in a bathtub?
No, you can't!
Can I go over in this sweet Studebaker?
No, you're driving me crazy!
I don't think you're going to stop that guy.
And why is that, Cadet Louise?
That's why. Because he's going over in a church bell.
Heavens no!
Garbage can?
Trash it!
Kuka costume?
Too kooky.
You're getting on my nerves, Gargantua. Oh, wait. What about wax lips?
Hush your mouth.
Shirley Temple with extra grenadine garnished with a flaming banana and a triple twist of boysenberry?
Sounds delicious, but no!
Fine, spoil sport. But you know I'm going down those falls, right?
I told you, you can't go over the falls in a barrel!
You're a barrel of laughs.
Don't do it, Woody. It's too dangerous.
The thing about outsmarting nitwits is that you gotta think like a nitwit. And trust me, there's no one more nitwittier than me. My middle name is Nitwit, and I am going down those falls.
Yes, but in a 4-ton Swedish meatball? It's diabolical!
Desperate times require desperate measures.
A giant Swedish meatball! Come to me! Oh my goodness, that was fun! Woody? Where's Woody? No, it's not what you think. Hello?
Come to my office immediately.
Oh, it's you, boss. I'll be right there.
It's payback time. Hey, you're supposed to knock.
Sorry.
Come in. What did I tell you about the falls?
No one is allowed to go down the falls.
That's right. And what did you do?
Let people go down the falls.
And what does that mean? You're fired!
Hi, Wally.
Morning, boss. Wait, no! Come here, you! Take that, you fake boss, you! My real boss is so much better looking than you!
You're giving it to him good, Wally.
Thanks, Woody. Sorry.
What happened?
I am so sad I just got fired. I guess I don't need this anymore.
Don't be sad, Wally. Now you can go over the falls. Even the tourists love it.
It's true!
Maybe this could be fun. Fun, wet adventure, here I come!
Oh, now it's okay to go down the falls. We'll see about that.
Wet adventure, here I come.
Now for the big finale.
What is that? Sounds like something rushing. Maybe water? Oh, poopsie.
Isn't this great?
Yeah. See, Wally, this whole falls thing is heck muito fun.
Wait, what? Not again! No!
Don't go away. I'll be back soon with another cartoon.
Hi, kids.
Can we have a sleepover?
No!
Please?
Okay, you could sleep in the spare bed.
But we want to play with you, Uncle Woody. Yeah, and do sleepover-y things.
But I'm really tired.
Ow!
I want to sleep over here every night.
That's enough! You kids get to sleep. Uncle Woody's tired. You have no idea how much
Energy it takes to eat 1,000 cheeseburgers.
Aww.
Don't worry, kids. Uncle Woody will make it up to you. It'll be so much fun.
Uncle Woody?
Pleasant dreams.
Uncle Woody! Woody! We're hungry. Absolutely famished.
Fine. But let's make it quick. Good night, kids.
Uncle Woody! We didn't brush our teeth!
Oh.
I can feel them decaying!
So, you need to brush your teeth, huh? There you go, kids. Teeth brushed.
Awesome!
Okay, you kids, go to sleep, okay? Okay.
You sleepy? Absolutely wide awake! Uncle Woody. We get it.
Absolutely.
Oh, can we play with a vacuum? Ooh. How about this?
Negatory.
How about a cannon?
No!
Carla? What about the...
That is enough noise! You kids are driving me crazy!
I'm gonna film this. This is so going viral. I love Uncle Woody's sleepovers.
Now there's nothing left to keep you awake!
Best sleepover ever! What?
Don't go away. I'll be back soon with another cartoon.
I dare you to knock on the door. No way. Everyone says it's haunted. I've heard if you really listen, you can hear the ghost that lives there. That wasn't funny, Uncle Woody. We thought you were a ghost.
Ah, phooey. Ghosts are a bunch of fantasy and hoo-ha.
Then prove it. We dare you to spend one night in that spooky haunted house.
That house? With pleasure. And if I don't stay all night, I'll eat my tail.
Good luck, Uncle Woody. You're gonna need it. Nice knowing ya.
Cute kids. That's odd. Hello? Hello? Hello?
I'm lonely here in this house by myself.
Hello? No.
Woody's a chicken. Woody's a chicken.
I am not! I am a woodpecker.
I got guests. Wow.
I'm a woodpecker, not a chicken. I'm a woodpecker, not a chicken. I'm a woodpecker, not a... Huh? I'm not afraid of my own shadow. Ever get the feeling you were being watched? Oh. I'm seeing things. I'm letting my nerves get the better of me. Ooh, it's a little drafty in here. Oh boy, I gotta sit. All this terror's got me tuckered.
I was here first.
Oh, my apologies. I didn't realize this seat was taken.
Yes, woodpecker bird. The word you're looking for is ghost.
I can see that. Ghost!
Going up.
Hey, thanks, pal.
Don't mention it. Just trying to get ahead. Ooh, spooky laughter.
All right, that ghost is toast.
Hey, what's going on? Stop it. Ow, this hurts. And I'm a ghost. That's weird. Whoa. Ow! I start first.
No, it's mine. You're out of my body.
Hey, what's going on here?
Hey, what's going on here?
Ow! Now I know how it feels. Ow!
Ouch!
Woodpecker bird, stop it!
Stop it!
Ow! I'm sorry.
Doesn't feel too good, does it?
Oh! How the tables have turned with the haunting. Ow! This is unbearable. Get it? Oh no! That skunk is one step too far. That was the last straw. But you know what? This is the most fun I've had in a long time. You know, no one ever visits me. Maybe partly because I'm a ghost.
Huh? If all you want is visitors, then I've got a great idea.
You know, Woodpecker Bird, this was a great idea. So many new friends.
Yep, my work here is done.
Uncle Woody. According to this time code here, you only stayed in the house for 5 minutes. Remember what you said?
Nope. He said comedically. And if I don't stay all night, I'll eat my tail. Woo!
Open up, Uncle Woody.
It was worth it.
Don't go away. I'll be back soon with another cartoon.
Whoa, what are they doing?
The Brazilian fire ant, while relatively tiny, packs a mighty punch. One taste of this blistering insect
What you
will...
doing?
Shoo! Get off! This is my show! As I was saying, one taste of this blistering insect will set your mouth on fire.
Guess who?
Will you please?
Hey!
Oh, what a pest! As I was saying...
Oh, fire ant! I love these things! Man, that's good. Got any more?
Oh, come on, Bruce, let's find a safe place.
So, you guys making a movie? Need a star for your show? I've been in a couple pictures myself. I am universally loved. Well, that's a fancy camera. Let me see.
Don't touch the equipment.
But I'm a great toucher of stuff.
Leave it to a professional cinematographer.
We are searching for the strange and undiscovered.
Yeah, you couldn't find strange and undiscovered if it walked past you in the background. Hey.
Now, if you don't mind, we have work to do.
Ow, you made me drop my acting resume. Here you go.
No, thank you. Huh? The anaconda's constricting coils could squeeze a grown man like a grape.
I got an idea for the shot. Give me the camera. This is great. I'm killing it like Tarantino. Okay, let's just see. We'll put it right here, right over the moneymaker.
Do you mind?
I kinda do, yeah. I had that shot nailed. Ooh, kinda dark in here. Ooh. That's better.
Cut.
Hey! No need to lose your shirt, kid. I was just gonna say nice camera work. I'm feeling one of those gold trophy things.
And here we have a large porcupine. When frightened, it's really...
Oh, yeah. You don't want to mess around with those critters. You're probably in need of my keen knowledge
Thank you.
about...
Well, there's nothing you can teach me here.
Oh, really? Bet you haven't seen this.
Point well taken. The lowland tapir's prehensile snout produces a sweet snuffling sound when trying to attract a mate.
They can also do this.
Maria is a nervous creature, but generally safe to approach.
Yeah, that's kind of true. But you know what drives him really bonkers?
I just know I'm going to regret this.
Well, they love macaroons. See? They love them. Little bird brains can't get enough. Ugh. Unfortunately, they get a little gassy.
Oh, my! I can't take that.
I think I should light a match.
No. Ooh, a bloated land walrus. Don't get too close.
I know this guy. Let me handle this. The stunted tusk bloated land walrus is ultra rare. Wolliuscus, Budheticus, 2 times this.
Oh, yeah? Well, you're a Menicus woodpeckerus.
Guilty. Although most of his blubber's in his head, there's still plenty in his gut to make a decent trampoline.
Why, you stinking... I'll tell you one thing walruses don't like. People lying on their bellies!
Bloated land walruses sure are temperamental. Well, guess that's a wrap.
Crikey, we're sunk. Every frame that crazy woodpecker's trashing our set and hogging the shots.
Maybe I can cobble together a montage. Won't be pretty, but maybe we'll get a few hits.
50 million hits! We gotta sign up that crazy woodpecker! Woody, you're a sensation! We want you to be the new star of our series.
I'm tired of acting. What I really want to do is direct. And besides, Bigfoot doesn't really like you.
Yeah, it's true.
And cut. Did we get it?
Don't go away. I'll be back soon with another cartoon.
No feathers? No feathers? Still no feathers? Where the heck are all the feathers? Hello?
Hey, Woody! Are you ready? The parade starts in 5 minutes.
I know. I need some peacock feathers to finish my mask, but the stores are all sold out.
Well, try the jungle. We don't have peacocks in Brazil. But you never know who's going to come to Carnaval.
Hey, a peacock! Am I lucky or what?
This is the life.
I consider this a loan.
Ow, ow, ow! Ooh. Well, who does that? It takes my... Why would you... Who does that? Give me those back, you red-headed rustler!
No, wait. I stole them fair and square.
You feather-stealing feather stealer! Free food? I'll bite the free food, yeah. Who's cooking the popcorn?
Oh, boy. Feathers.
A wise guy, huh? Gimme them tail feathers.
Hey, I need those. They're mine.
No, mine.
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 Yours.
No, yours.
I say they're yours.
You take it or I will punch you in the beak.
Oh, well, okay, if I gotta.
Guess I showed that know-it-all woodpecker a thing or... Hey! Thought you could pull a fast one on me, did ya? You have to get up pretty early in the morning to put one over on this peacock.
Oh, yeah? Well, I got up at 11:30 this morning. Is that early enough?
Not even.
My feathers!
Outsmarted you, did I? You! I'm gonna kill you!
Give him a left and a right and another right and two more of those. What? I'm your biggest fan. Hey, that's my trademark. My awesome crest. Hey, ya pal. Good to see you again. And now it's time to train this guy.
Beat it, bub.
Sorry to drop in, but I think you have something of mine, woodpecker bird.
Holy cow! It's almost parade time. I better quit fooling around. I'm here! Boy, what a woodpecker's gotta do to get some feathers around here.
Great mask! I can't even tell it's you behind it.
Wait a minute, you can't? Hey, this thing covers my awesome crest. That's my trademark. Who needs these fancy feathers? Nobody's got a better do than yours truly.
Come on, come on. Daddy needs a new set of feathers.
Hey, kid, catch! Come on, guys, let's rock this carnival!
Why not? I got my strutting feathers on, yeah.
Don't go away. I'll be back soon with another cartoon.
I so regret that decision.
That does it! I'm quitting you, Woody!
You can't quit me!
Watch me!
But I thought we were best frenemies. Maybe the satellite was too much. Wally can't quit me. He's my favorite punching bag. Hi, Woody. I'm you from the future. Hi, me. How am I? You're fine. Listen, whatever you do, don't touch this time machine. Oh, and don't eat that pizza next Thursday. As if I'm not gonna eat the pizza. Oh, there's a lot of stuff to not touch in here. I better get touching. Look at me! I'm going back in time! Whee! Oopsie.
Oh no, my baby!
I'll save him! Hang on, adorable baby Wally. I'll save ya! Woody! Ma'am, no need to thank me for saving your adorable...
Put him in danger! Bye-bye, Woody.
Okay, I gotta fix this, because so far this is not my favorite episode. Oh, boy. Where am I now?
Woody
Woody Woodpecker!
Woody?
Let's go chase it!
All right, that's enough. Do you have a license to be a rabbit fan?
Hey, he's doing that bit from the episode Screwball 1943, right?
Now cut that out. You guys are crazy.
Now he's doing that bit from Red Riding Hoodlum from 1950.
I gotta get out of here. Hold it, hold it. Oh, my rideshare is here. Gotta go.
What episode is that from?
Now let's see. Where am I? Hey, this looks like it's the right place. How much difference can one meteor make?
Now to begin the invasion of planet Earth. What's that?
It's good to be back. Oh no, the meteor! Dinosaurs never died out! Ah! Yikes! Hey, that's my time machine! Ooh, boy, that sure is a lot of nothingness. Well, looks like we have a little time to relax. Oh no, that's probably bad. Well, Woody, you went and broke reality as we know it. Sorry about that. Okay, now I got you to the exact right time. Wally's over there chasing you, and it seems silly to even say this to myself. Don't screw this up, but we know I will. Okay, here's my chance to set things straight. Hey, this is my cartoon, bub. Philly cheesesteak.
Ooh, you want it, boy?
Yeah.
Okay, go get it.
Okay, now, this is where I messed up the first time. Let's see now. That satellite was too satellite-y. Oh, wait!
That's it, Woody! I'm gonna... Oh! Whoa? Hug you! This is the best gift ever!
Well, it looks like everything is back to normal. Come on, if we hurry, we can both irritate Wally at the same time. It doesn't get any better than that.